FlixClip just recently added a new feature to their official website to turn your product URL into engaging video ads with AI. Effortlessly create video ads from Amazon and eBay product URL, and this works with website URL too. So all you just need to do is to get a website URL from your social media platform and impute it to the site. And there are other cool features here as the AI PPT to video, and we also have the AI PDF to video, and we have the AI text based editing. Then here we have the AI voice cloning feature, which is super great if you are a business owner who doesn't want to be making use of AI voices for your promotional video. All you just need to do is to get your marketing team to clone their voice, or you clone your voice and then make use of the clone voice in the marketing video. And this is actually going to be very good if you are not really fluent in communication. AI will do the talking for you. Okay, all you just need to do is to clone your voice. So quickly, we're actually going to be looking at how to make use of the AI product URL to video feature, and click on convert URL to video to impute the URL here. You can actually do this manually, okay, but I prefer making use of the URL. Then click on analyze. Yeah, once you impute the URL and it brings you to this page, it automatically imputes your product name and your product description. So the URL I actually made use of doesn't have much information, so I am just going to be adding more information of the product. Another thing you want to do is to add images. Click on the add media. Then from here you can go ahead to select as many images you want to make use of for your product, then and click on next. Okay, so the third step is it's going to bring you here where you can choose your aspect ratio, if it's for YouTube, if you want it landscape or portrait. So I'm just going to be leaving it at landscape. Then for the voice setting, which is really interesting, you can actually select any language style here. So you can see we have Philippine English, we have Singapore English, South Africa English, Tanzania English, United Kingdom English, Nigeria. Okay, we have Nigerian English here. Then you select your language style. Then here you select if you want for female or male. So I'm going to leave it at male. Then this is going to be at default, so that is general. Then I'm going to leave the pitch and the speed also at default. Then go ahead to select the subtitle style you want. Then this is actually going to cost you up to 4 credits. So click on generate.
Suffering from lackluster oral hygiene? Discover the Colgate difference. Colgate offers a comprehensive range of oral care products, from advanced toothpaste to effective mouthwashes, designed to meet all your needs. Experience the power of Colgate Total for superior gum health and cavity prevention, or reveal a brighter smile with Colgate Optic White. Choose Colgate Naturals for an eco-friendly option without compromising on cleanliness and freshness. Colgate has a solution for every smile. Upgrade your oral care routine today with Colgate. Your healthier, brighter smile awaits.
And that's how you can create your video ad with just a click. And this is very simple to use. Like I said, FlixClip has other AI features that will be very useful for your business. So if you want to see the future videos on how to make use of those other features, please subscribe and do turn on the bell notification button. For the pricing, when you click on the pricing, it's actually going to show you their free plan, their plus, and their business plan. And I promise you that you can actually have access to this feature for free. You actually have the grace of producing 12 projects with the free version. They will have the plus version, which is as low as 11, that is $12 monthly, and we have the business version, which is as low as $19 monthly, and which as low as $19, $20, you'll be able to have access to all of these features. So if you're a business owner and you have marketing team, then I recommend the business plan for $20 monthly, which is very little compared to other AI tools out there. So subscribe and let me know what you want to see next.